The CapLock action camera extension pull tripod. And as we take this out of the box, I just want to mention that all of these products are very quality made, and they all come with the CapLock 2 quarter thread accessory and also CapLock 2 action mount. And before we talk about the extension pull tripod accessory, let's talk about their CapLock system. So basically you have the CapLock system right here, and you have your mount. And what's cool about the Hero 12 is they have the quarter thread mount on the bottom, so you just put it on like that, and then it just slides and snaps into place. And then on the other side, there is a release button, so you can press it and then pull it off. Now, if you're worried about maybe bumping it or something like that, you can actually set this in lock mode. So now it's locked on there, it won't come out. And then you can set it to unlock, and then you can just pull it right out. And when it's in there, it's solid. It's in there solid. Like some other quick release systems, it might have like a little bit of movement to it, but this is not. This is solid on there. And if you look closely at the CapLock system, you'll see that there is an Allen key to tighten it down, or you can use like a quarter or like a flathead screwdriver to also tighten that as well. All sides are the same on this, so it doesn't matter which way it goes on. You can put it on each way, sideways, backwards, whatever. That way it's even quicker because you're not like fumbling around going, wait, which side is the front? You just can put it on either side. That is a huge, huge selling point to me right there. But let's just talk about this one right here. As you can see, it's on a ball head, and I do love that they have this dial on the side, so it's really easy to like loosen up and move it around however you need to, and then tighten it up. On the other side, you'll see that it has a cold shoe mount, so you could put a microphone if you're using an external microphone, or even using a light or any other cold shoe accessories. And it's nice because you could swivel this around, just getting the angle that you want. And yes, this is an extension pull, and it's actually a really good size for something this small. Like, look at how tiny this is, and it goes up very high, and then also has nice little tripod legs at the bottom, so you could set this down on your desk or somewhere. And that is very impressive that all of that fits into this small body. This would be the ultimate little travel selfie pull with a tripod, and just makes it easy. And man, I love it.